Yeah, we have a dog theme.
So one of my dogs, Oreo, is diabetic, so we're on a pretty tight schedule of shots twice a day. And insulin was very expensive, but this year we actually found the same insulin from Walmart, which is really cool, for like $25. God, we were spending $140, $160 or something like that per vial, which was insane. Same thing really, it seems to be working fine. He's doing great outside of, you know, the vision problems because of his cataracts, but, you know, so, all right, it's shot time. Poor little guy's also on 2 different heart medications. They said because his heart was too big, right? Your heart was too big? Yes. And just like, boom, good boy. Who's a good boy? Yes, my Oreo. Yeah. Bam. All right, I'm gonna head outside today because I want to get the rest of my Christmas stuff put up. We already got the house done, so I want to get all the lights and little blow-up things done outside before it starts getting really cold, because it's already starting to kick in with all the winds, and I've got all these fun little sticky hook things for the side of the house. Last year they all fell off, so we'll see how these hold up. Where's your pizza? Yeah. Go! Oh! My baby. Yes, Mr. Oreo. Yes. There you go. So I'm hoping this year it'll work. I don't know. Last year, a lot of these little hook things fell off. Rise! Santa's limp. Of course, I picked the windiest day to do this crap.